At a cost of $8 per pound, how many ounces of coffee can be bought for $3.30? One thing that is sneaky about this problem is that the amount is given in two different units. So we have cost per pound, and we need to figure out cost per ounce. All right, so we first want to find the cost per ounce. So I'm going to first do a little unit conversion. All right, so if I have $8 per 1 pound, and to convert that to ounces, I'm going to multiply it by how many pounds are in an ounce. So the relationship between pounds and ounces is that there's 16 ounces per pound. But I want to cancel the pounds. You can treat the units as factors you can divide or multiply. So if pounds are in the denominator for this fraction, it needs to be in the numerator for this fraction. So the relationship is 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So I'm going to put the 1 pound here. It's a little messy, I'm sorry. And the ounces in the denominator. So doing this multiplication, the pounds cancels, and I have the numeric part as 1, so that just cancels out. So I'm equal to, that equals 8 over 16, or if I'm talking about dollars, that's going to be 50 cents per ounce, or $0.5 per ounce. Okay. All right, so the next thing I need to do is figure out how many ounces can be bought for $3.30. So I'm going to let X equal the number of ounces we're looking for, and I'm going to set this up as a direct proportion. This would be a direct proportion because as the number of ounces gets bigger, the number or the cost would get bigger. Okay, so it's not like as you increase the ounces, the cost decreases. So I'm going to go ahead and put the relationship per ounce on the left side, so $0.5 per 1 ounce. I'll use the abbreviation. All right, so I already have the dollar amount I'm going to end with. So I'm going to put that in the numerator. Okay, so I'm going smaller to larger, smaller to larger. Okay, I expect that the number of ounces is going to be greater than 1 ounce. All right, I don't want to put the ounces in the numerator. It's a direct proportion, so dollars to dollars, ounces to ounces. All right, so I'm putting X here because I don't know that yet. And I'm going to go ahead and do the shortcut for cleaning up a direct proportion. That's where you cross multiply this numerator times this denominator and this denominator times this numerator. And doing this multiplication, the dollar units will cancel out and you'll be left with ounces. So I have 0.5x is equal to 3.30. All right, so 1 ounce times 3.3, 1 times 3.3 is just 3.3. Last step is to divide both sides by 0.5 to isolate x. And doing that division, you get 6.6 ounces. Okay, so you can buy 6.6 ounces of coffee for $3.30.